In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly place your designs into realistic mockups using a Figma plugin. Start by opening your Figma file and make sure the screen or artboard you want to showcase is ready. Next, open the Actions menu by clicking the Actions button or using the keyboard shortcut. In the search bar, type Artboard Mockups and open the plugin. If you haven't used it before, install the plugin and then click Run. Once the plugin opens, browse through the available mockup templates. You'll find options for phones, tablets, laptops, and other devices. Select the mockup that best fits your design. The plugin will then ask you to choose the frame or artboard you want to place inside the mockup. Select your design screen and confirm the action. The plugin will automatically insert your design into the mockup and generate a realistic presentation frame. If needed, adjust the positioning or scale until everything looks perfect. Once you're happy with the result, you can export the mockup as an image for presentations, portfolios, social media, or client previews. And that's it. You've successfully applied your screen to a mockup in Figma in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.